Hello everybody. Today we are on I-Drive in Orlando and we are going to Icon Park. We're going to try Gordon Ramsay's fish and chips and just take a walk around and check it out because we've never been here. So come along with us.
Love me a Shake Shack. It's huge. Orlando Eye. It's a slingshot. I feel like I'm in Vegas. Live music should play there. It's huge.
Gordon Ramsay's fish and chips.
Just chips. Look it up. Sauces. I don't care what they got because I'm eating here. Let's go. Let's do this. In there. All right, we just ordered. Now we're gonna go sit. And I'll call our number. Should we sit by the water? Sit by the water. Have a duck. No, don't drop your phone in the water. This is what we're dealing with here. It smells like Pirates of the Caribbean water. You know that smell? You know. You know how got in the water there. It's cool. I ordered in there. I call our number when it's ready. So I got the Gordon's combo with chicken and shrimp and fish, obviously. And we got the different dirty chips you can get. I got dirty one with jalapenos and some other stuff. Trusty got dirty number 2, whatever that is. It's got a Coke and she got a tea. And we got some sauces. So just waiting for the number to get called. The receipt, what we ordered, since I don't remember what it was. Dropped $50 here.
105, guest number 105.
Not me. But food has arrived and it looks delicious. I got dirty fries under there. Got jalapenos, stuff on them. Got some shrimp, chicken, fish. That's the Gordon's combo, but those fries are good. Look at that. I got some cocktail sauce and the aioli. What's that sauce right there?
That's curry
Curry?
and Gordon's tartar sauce.
And you just got fish and shrimp, right?
Yep.
Let's see your dirty fries.
They just have like truffle and some sort of cheese on them.
Ooh, look at that. Looking good.
Curry sauce.
So cool that London Eye. What? Orlando Eye. It's like the London Eye. Anyway, dig it in. Hot. Said it once, I'll say it again. Epcot fish and chips can't be beat, but I do like this place. It's like a crazy party here, man. So many other good restaurants around here. We should have probably shared just to try it, so we could go to another one, another place. Like, what was the other place?
There's so many.
111.
Julio's, something?
There's Uncle Julio's, there's Old Red.
Old Red's, Uncle Julio's. So many places here. It'll take us a good 2 years to try everything. But. So I I think that may have been a one and done for us. It was all right. Hit the spot, but can't beat Epcot. Yeah, live band in there. Rocking out. Going off in here. Lit up. Pretty cool at night. You see the band playing on
Now that song's off my third album. That one I can remember.
Oh, red. They got a mechanical bull. I love how they have that screen up there with the band playing. Lights in there. There's the stage in there. It's pretty big.
Love this.
That's cool.
That one's cool too.
Dang, we should have ate here. What are we
I
doing?
know.
Look at our old red motel over there. You can get your whole wardrobe in here.
I knew it
This
was
is
good.
Blake shut this place. It's pretty cool. Look, they got the screen in here. Drink and drink. I like this shirt. Might have to get it.
Shot up to the moon.
Oh, yeah, today you can slingshot yourself up to the moon. I've never been this close to one of these things. Wow. Oh look, some victims. So they're getting ready to get launched. Oh no. Where they're going? To the moon. Ready? It's supposed to be a volcano, see? Whoa! Right to the moon. Oh my god. Holy cow. Straight down.
I knew that.
I hope nobody vomits. I'm right in the top. That's wild how close they're. Looks like they went to the moon.
Not be wearing any light colored pants.
Great. Another victim going. Single run. There we go. We're over here now by this thing. We're gonna watch this for a minute. Here's some more of the places that are in here. Trusty wants Charlie's Steakhouse next time. Sounds pretty dang good. Got all these benches here. Yeah, take a seat. Watch some people swing on these things. Ooh, gonna do it from our first trip here to Icon Park. It was fun.
Fun.
You know, if you want to try the fish and chips once, maybe don't do it on a date. Just come by yourself or something. But it's not date material. But
No, it's Epcot fish and chips for me.
oh yeah, for sure. I've said that several times in this. But yeah, either way, it's a fun outing, and I can't believe we live here, and this is just 30 minutes to get here. So here's the view from the parking garage. park on the 4th floor and up, it's free. If you park below that, it's a couple bucks per hour. Anyway, thanks for joining us. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, like, subscribe to the channel. Catch you in the next one. See ya.